For any vision-based autonomous system, the biggest enemy isn't complex code or a difficult road. It's something far simpler: a smudge. Dirt, rain, snow, or even a bug splat on a camera lens can instantly blind a self-driving system, making the difference between a clear path and a critical error. This has been a persistent, real-world challenge for Tesla's camera-only approach. Now, it looks like Tesla is finally rolling out a comprehensive solution to this problem. New Model Y vehicles are being equipped with an active camera cleaning system, moving beyond the passive airflow cleaning that has been the standard for years. This is a significant hardware upgrade that directly addresses one of the biggest friction points for drivers relying on Autopilot and FSD. The new system involves the introduction of washers and sprayers for the rear and side cameras. This isn't just a simple wipe. These mechanisms are designed to spray washer fluid directly onto the camera lenses under pressure. The goal is to clear away anything that could obstruct the lens, from road grime to salt residue. This technology is a direct extension of the system first seen on the Cybertruck, which featured a washer for its front bumper camera. The key difference here is the expansion of this active cleaning to the repeater and B-pillar cameras, which are crucial for side and rear visibility. Why is this such a big deal? It's all about reliability and autonomy. For a vehicle to truly operate autonomously, it cannot rely on human intervention to clean its sensors. The new active cleaning system allows the vehicle to operate autonomously, ensuring its eyes are clear without the driver having to pull over and wipe the lenses. This is a necessary step toward the company's long-term goal of unsupervised FSD. The previous passive system relied on the vehicle's movement and airflow to clear the lenses, which was often ineffective in heavy rain, snow, or muddy conditions. The new active system provides an on-demand pressurized cleaning solution, ensuring that the camera feed, the sole input for the FSD computer, remains clear and accurate. This upgrade is a clear indication of Tesla's commitment to solving real-world problems that directly impact the performance of its driver assistance systems. By ensuring the camera lenses are consistently clean, the company is enhancing the reliability of features like autopilot, lane keeping, and automatic lane changes. For current and prospective Model Y owners, this means a more robust and reliable driving experience, especially in adverse weather conditions. It's a quiet but essential hardware change that removes a major variable from the complex equation of autonomous driving. This new active cleaning system is a testament to the fact that sometimes the most important technological advancements are the ones that solve the most basic real-world problems. For more factual analysis on the latest in automotive technology, make sure to subscribe to this channel and stay informed. We'll keep tracking how this new cleaning system performs in real-world conditions.